Okay, so to make our t-shirt, we're going to start by opening up Canva. So just go online and type in canva.com. Once it's open, go to the search bar and then type in Mother's Day, and you should have some suggestions already coming up, like this Mother's Day t-shirt. You can click on that. As you can see, it's going to be a 14 by 18 inch. And then that'll open up a new screen to show you lots of different options. Now we have the screen with lots of different options of designs that we can use for our t-shirts. You can just scroll down until you find one that you like. They've got like mixed ones that have like pictures and designs and like shapes and text all mixed in together. Or ones that, are just text with like a little graphic in the background. So pick one. I'll pick on the one on the left and click on it. So I've got my design and it opens up and I can see that it is two pages, a front and a back. And so there's two different things on the front and the back. And I can just click anywhere on it to see the different elements, that it's not just one flat design, but it's actually made up of like several different elements, the text and the drawings and the photo. So I can click on it and then just start taking away, like deleting the things that I want to change. I'm going to go over to the left-hand menu and then click on Uploads. That's going to open up all the designs and images and videos and audio that I've uploaded to Canva already. And I'm actually going to be using the elements from the Spring and Bloom drawing challenge that we did recently. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete those cupcakes because I want to replace those. I want to come over and click on the honey part and then just shrink it down by dragging and pulling down the corner and moving it with that little crossbow and then rotating it with that little curved arrow. Put that right on the left side of the image. And I'm also going to add a bee. So you can find all of these, like I said, in the Spring and Bloom Drawing Challenge, which you can go over to paperflowdesigns.com/spring and bloom. It should be just down below in this video, somewhere in the blog post. So you can find that and watch the videos to see how to make those if you want to. To change the image in the middle, I'm just going to go over to the left menu and click on Photos. And then I'll go over to the search bar and I'm going to type in the word mom. And Canva has so many stock photos and images already in there. I'm going to scroll down until I find something that I like that I want to put in there. So you can see on the little corner of a lot of these photos it says Pro, so that means that either you can use them if you have the Pro version of Canva, or you can also pay like for each one that you want to use. So you can use them as on an individual basis as well, like pay as you go kind of plan. Or if you have the Pro version, you can use as many of them as you want. So I have Canva Pro and I like it. So that just allows me to use as many images as I want, and I just pay that one-time fee. I think I paid like for the year subscription. Let me just scroll back up here and find, I think I just want like something like kind of generic, not a photo of someone I don't know. I mean, I could also upload my own photo, but I like this little pink one that says mom. I'll click on that and just drag it over, and as you can see, it's hovering over and it goes right in the middle of the frame. That does that automatically. Alright, so that's the front of my shirt, and I think I want to also change the back of the t-shirt now. So I'll just go over to the second page, and I will delete that, click cake, hit delete group, and it's all gone. And I'm going to use the sunflower from the Spring and Bloom challenge, and I will just shrink that by clicking on the corner and then drawing it up. And scroll down and find the daisy. I'm just going to shrink that as well. Hit up, go switch to the sunflower. And I can duplicate that, duplicate the daisy, just using that little button at the top right, and slide it over. As you can see, those little dotted lines, those are just guidelines, so I can see that it's on level with the first one that I made. So that's just kind of like, a handy thing that you can have in Canva to help you get your designs aligned. So I can click on both of those now, and watch this. I can group them and then move them together automatically. That's also a cute little trick to do in Canva. Now that we've got the front of our shirt and we've got the back of our shirt, let's click print t-shirts to get a preview and see what it's going to look like. Click on that little button at the top, and then it opens up this little window with a preview of a woman wearing the t-shirt with a design on it. And I can just scroll down and click on page to see the different designs, see the front and the back. Now it doesn't flip the model around, which that would be nice if they did, but you can still see the design of what it will look like on your shirt. You can also change the shirt color, so change it to gray and see what it looks like. You've got plenty of options. Once you've made all of your edits, then you can go ahead and continue with your shipping and printing, or printing and shipping, I should say. But you can also do other things like download. You can choose SVG. If you have the Pro version, that's an option. You can choose JPEG, which comes with basic free Canva. But let me just show you. So if you click on SVG, you can click on transparent background and print, the front and the back, and then just click on download, and it'll save that as an SVG file. You can also save it as a JPEG or a PNG. I think the transparent background, yeah, that's also a pro feature in Canva. You can see anything that has a little crown on it is a pro feature. So that's how you can make a t-shirt in Canva. If you want to try it out for yourself, I invite you to click on the Try Canva Pro for free button, which is just below this video, and test drive Canva for free. Let me know what you think of it.